Welcome to qnawire.
At the beginning of a population study, a city had 250,000 people, and each year since, the population's grown by 1.9%. If we let t be the number of years since the start of the study and y be the population, here's an exponential function showing the relationship between y and t. Y would be equal to, if it's each year growing, and at the beginning the initial was 250,000, it'd be 250,000 times 1 plus the rate as a decimal. 1.9% is 0.019. You could add those together to be 1.019 if you'd like, raised to the t. This would be annual change. Number 2, write an equation for the function g of x that results when f of x equals 2 to the x is shifted 2 to the left. Left is inside the function. So now g of x from that left 2 would be 2 to the x plus 2. That's going left 2. It's always opposite. And then reflected about the x-axis would be a negative out front. And then shifted up 3 would be plus 3 outside at the end. We want to find the domain of log base 3 of the square root of x plus 3 over x minus 2. Let's take a look at a graph of it, and then I'll explain why it is what it is. So log base 3 of the square root of x plus 3 over x minus 2. Okay, the domain is from negative infinity to negative 3, not included. And then from 2 not included to infinity. Now why? Well, first x can't be 2 because you can't divide by 0. But then you can't actually evaluate this unless this is greater than or equal to 0, and that would happen at x is negative 3. But if we have a negative over a negative, that becomes positive. So that's why it's from negative infinity to negative 3, which comes from the numerator, and then from 2, which comes from the denominator, to infinity. Hope that helps. Good luck.